Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with the tank, the SG-1203. Gonna do another FPV run, alright? Check it out. Got the Firefly Q6 and an all-in-one and a 1S LiPo. I also put some lights on this thing if you haven't seen that video of the run, the night run. Check it out, guys. Let me give you guys a sample just in case you forgot how sick this thing is, man. Sharp turns. This thing is quick, man. Just chilling right now. Saving the energy for the FPV. Alright, let's go, guys. Tank is awesome, man. Let's go on the grass for a bit. Oh yeah. I always love this. Whoa. I got stuck in some tough grass, man. Y'all see me back there? I should go disturb this basketball game. Because I was actually here first. Where are these guys? Actually, I don't see them. Where are they? I love this tank, guys. You guys don't do FPV with a RC car or a tank, you guys should try it, man. It's fun. You don't only have to do FPV with drones. Alright, turn around here. Let me go bother these guys. SG-1203 tank, man. That's awesome, guys. Let's go back on the grass here. This thing cuts through grass like it's nothing, man. Yeah, this is some heavy grass. Whoa. There we go. Come on. There we go. Cut through it, man. There we go. Back in business. That's it, guys. See you guys on the next video, man. Later.